I'm a young screenwriter, so that means I put in a lot of odd hours. While most students are taking their Sundays to relax and recoup for Monday, I spend mine finalizing outlines and scripts. Today, I am working on finalizing the characters for a new show I am looking to create. While hard at work, I'm forced to remember why Sundays are meant for rest. A few months ago, I was in a car accident. I've been going to physical therapy to heal and strengthen my body. During times like this, it's tempting to want to sit down and put the day on pause. To manage my injuries, I complete stretches and strengthening exercises every day. Even though my Sundays look different than most, I take it as a reminder to persevere. Between every stretch, every page written, I find myself taking a step forward, a step into healing and into developing my screenwriting career. What defines me is the choice to keep creating, no matter what may happen.